Good morning, all of you. I am Pradeep Devangan, Assistant Professor in Physics. Today, my topic is ultrasonic sounds. Contents: first, introduction of ultrasonics, properties of ultrasonic waves, ultrasonic production magnetostriction method, ultrasonic production piezoelectric method, application of ultrasonic worked problems. Introduction of ultrasonic. The word ultrasonic combines the Latin roots ultra meaning behind and sonic or sound. The sound waves having frequency above the audible range, therefore above 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonic waves. Generally, these waves are called as a high frequency waves. The field of ultrasonic have application for imaging, detection and navigation. The board sector of society that regularly apply ultrasonic technology are the medical communicated industries, the military and private citizen. They have a high properties of ultrasonic waves. They have a high energy content, just like ordinary sound wave. Ultrasonic wave get reflected, diffracted and absorbed. They can be transmitted over large distance with no applicable loss of energy. If an arrangement is made to form binary wave of ultrasonic in a liquid, it serves as a diffraction grating. It is called acoustic grating. They produce intense heating effect when passed through a substance. Ultrasonic production. There are two types of production. This is a magnetostriction generator or oscillator. Second, piezoelectric generator or oscillator. Their first magnetostriction generator principal magnetostriction effect. When a ferromagnetic rod like iron or nickel is placed in a magnetic field parallel to its length, the rod experiences a small change in its length. This is called a magnetostriction method. This is a figure for a small change in length. This is a ferromagnetic rod. This is a magnetic field produced. This is north and south pole. This is a small change of length. This is a up and down. The change in length increase and down. Production in the rod depends upon the strength of the magnetic field, the nature of the material, and it is dependent upon the direction of magnetic field applied. This is a experimental arrangement figure. This is a ultrasonic waves. This is a XY is a ferromagnetic rod. This is a fully diagram for HT, and this L2 is a coil for L1 L2, and the C is a capacitor. This is experimental arranged in figure. XY is this the same thing. For XY is a rod of ferromagnetic like iron or nickel. The rod is a continuity in the middle. The alternating magnetic field is generated by the electronic oscillator, the coil L1 and L2. This L1 is the right hand portion and C is capacitor. This form of a resonant circuit of the collector turned oscillator. The frequency of oscillator is controlled by the variable capacitor. This is second is a L2 coil. This is left hand portion. This is a working when high tension ST battery is switched on the collector circuit oscillator with a frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root L1C. The alternating current flowing through the coil L1 produce an alternating magnetic field along the length of rod. The result is that the rod start vibrating due to magnetic restrictive effect. This is a magnetic restriction method. The frequency of the vibration of the rod is given by this. So n is equal to 1 by 2L under root y by phi. L is the length of the rod, y is the Young modulus of the rod material, and rho is the density of the rod. And next, advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: the design of this oscillator is a very simple and its the production cost is low. At low ultrasonic frequency, the large power output can be produced without the risk of a damage of the oscillatory circuit. Disadvantage, it has a low upper frequency limit and cannot generate ultrasonic frequency above 3000 kHz, मतलब 3 megahertz. The frequency of oscillation depend on temperature. There will be loss of energy due to hypothesis. This next second piezoelectric generator or oscillator. The principle of inverse piezoelectric effect. If a mechanical pressure is applied to the one pair of the opposite face of certain crystal like quartz equals an opposite electric charge appear across its other face, this is called as a piezoelectric effect. The conversion of piezoelectric effect is also true. In a electric field is applied to the one pair of phase, the corresponding change in the dimensional of the other pair of phase of the crystal are produced. This is known as a inverse piezoelectric effect of electrostatic. This is a circuit diagram for the uh, piezoelectric oscillator. The quartz crystal is placed between two metal plate A and B. The plate are connected to the parallel L3 and transformer which are inductive coupled to the electronic oscillator. The electronic oscillator circuit is a base turn oscillator circuit. The coil L1 and L2 of oscillator circuit are taken from the secondary of transformer T. The collector coil L2 is inductively coupled to base coil L1. The coil L1 is a variable capacitor C1 from the tank circuit of the oscillator. The working, when a high ST battery is a high tension. Battery is the switch on the oscillator produces the high frequency alternative width of a frequency f is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root L1 and C1. Due to the frequency n is equal to p upon 2L in the y by rho. There p is a 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. For fundamental first over ton, second over ton etc. Y is a Young modulus of the crystal and rho is the density of the crystal. Then the vibrate conductor C1 adjusts such that the frequency of the applied AC voltage is equal to the natural frequency of quartz crystal and those resonant as play. The vibrating crystal produce longitudinal ultrasonic waves of large amplitude. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, ultrasonic frequency as high as a 5 into 10 to power 8 hertz or 5000 megahertz can be obtained with this arrangement. The output of the oscillator is very high. It is not affected by the temperature of humidity. Disadvantage, the cost of piezoelectric quartz is very high. The cutting and sampling of quartz crystal are very complex. Application of ultrasonic waves, detection of phase in metal or non-destructive testing NDT. Second, ultrasonic drilling, ultrasonic welding, soldering, cutting and machining, and diagnostic sonography, ultrasonic blood flow meter. Work problem, this frequency F is equal to P. This is a problem. A quartz crystal of a thickness m millimeter is vibrating at resonance. Calculate the fundamental frequency given Y for quartz 7.9 into 10 to power 10 Newton per meter square and rho for quartz 2650 kilo per meter cube. The frequency of the vibration is formula. This solid. This is the answer. Thank you. Thank you so much.